Hi, we are still working with the AU sound. And do you remember what AU says? It says ah, ah. So on this page, you're going to read this sentence and then you find the picture that matches with that sentence and you can draw a line or you can cut it out and glue it up there. Okay? So read the sentence, find the picture that matches. We're going to do 2 pages of this today. So we're doing the AU, which is ah. And what's the other letter combination that can make the ah sound? AU or AW. That's right. This is ABC order. That means whichever one of these words would come first in the alphabet. So you would put number 1, and whatever comes next, number 2. So you're going to look here and see, are there any words that start with A? No, I don't see any. Okay, then we'll go to B. Any words that start with B? Here's one, but we want to keep checking to see if there's any more. Nope, there's just the one. So this one, what is this word? Ball. Ball. We'd write, ball means to like cry a whole lot. We'd write that over here by number 1. Okay, ball. And then we cross this off. Make sure you cross off. That'll make your work a lot easier. And then look for something that starts with C. Okay, then D, E, F. And now if you come up, I'm going to look and see if there's any 2. I don't see 2 that start with the same letter. If you have 2 that start with the same letter, let's turn this over so I can show you real quick. If you have like balloon and blue, they both start with B. Okay, so then you're going to say, okay, they both start with a B. So then you're going to go to the next letter. This one has an L and this one has an A. Which comes first in the alphabet? The A. So balloon would come above blue. Okay? So whichever, and then if they had the same second letter, you'd cross that off and you'd go to the third letter. Does that make sense? So I don't think on this one you have any 2 that start with the same letter, but I just wanted to show you that's what you would do if you did have 2 that started with the same letter. But for this one, go through the alphabet. A's, B's, C's, D's. And when we were doing this one, something happened where somebody later found a word that they missed. Instead of erasing them all, if you are like, oh my gosh, this word was supposed to go before this one, just squeeze it in right here in that space. Or do an arrow and write the word next to it, okay? Just squeeze it in. You don't have to do a lot of erasing if that happens. Okay, those are your 2 pages for today. Alrighty, go ahead and work on that. I'll see you later.